In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields and views in GitHub projects. Start by opening your browser and searching for GitHub. Click the official GitHub link and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open the repository where you manage your work and head into its project. This is where we'll add structure that fits your team's workflow. Inside your project, look at the table view. At the far right of the column headers, you'll see a plus icon. Click that, then choose New Field. This is how you add the extra data your team needs beyond the basics. You'll be asked to choose a field type. Text is great for short notes or identifiers, like a ticket reference from another system. Number works well for estimates or story points when you want to total or sort by effort. Date lets you set custom deadlines or even a start date so you can plan work across time. Single select is perfect for things like priority with values, such as low, medium, and high, or for sizing work with t-shirt sizes like S, M, and L. Iteration is designed specifically for sprints and automatically handles date ranges, which is helpful if you plan in fixed-length cycles. After picking the type that matches your need, give the field a clear, descriptive name and click Save. Consistent naming helps everyone understand what should go in each column, and you can always adjust the configuration later if your process evolves. Now let's create views so you can look at the same data in different ways. Views let you switch between modes like a roadmap and a Kanban board without changing your underlying issues or pull requests. At the top of your project, click the New View tab, which is the plus icon next to your current view tabs. Once it's created, click the drop-down arrow on the tab and rename it to something meaningful, like Sprint Board or Roadmap, so teammates know when to use it. Next, choose a layout. Table is best for bulk editing, sorting, and scanning lots of fields at once. It's your spreadsheet-like workspace. Board gives you the classic Kanban experience, moving items across columns as they progress. If you're using a status or single select field, that pairs nicely with this layout. Roadmap provides a Gantt-style timeline and requires date or iteration fields to plot work over time. It's ideal for planning sprints, milestones, and dependencies at a glance. That's it. With custom fields and tailored views, your GitHub project becomes a flexible hub that matches the way your team actually works.